I just woke up and it is a terrible sight. But anyway, some of you have asked me how you make the keto coffee. You wanted to know if it was in a pod that you put in your Keurig or if you brew it. So I just decided to show you, okay? I just felt that would be easier. All right, so this is the keto coffee, and I've already opened the packet because I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay, so this is what I do. I pour it in my cup. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then I get sugar-free vanilla creamer. Make sure it's sugar-free. And I pour just a little bit in there. To me, that's just a little bit. All right, and one thing about this is that you have to mix it really well so it's really, really creamy. So I go ahead and mix it first. I go ahead and mix it first because it helps, trust me. Just trust me, it does. All right, so then I get my cup and I take it over to my Keurig. Okay, and as you can see, there's nothing in here. All I'm doing is brewing the hot water. All right, so it really helps if you continue to stir this as you're brewing it, and I'm just gonna press brew. I mean, just like if you're making grits or, you know, any kind of like powdery substance like that, it helps if you continue to stir it as you're pouring the water in. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And the reason I wanted to video this because I wanted to show you how creamy it is if you stir it and do it properly. Alright, so I'm just getting all of that yummy stuff off the side. Okay, just keep stirring. And go ahead and you can see no lumps, no, all of that coffee is good and mixed up. Okay, so then here comes my favorite part, and since I am following the keto lifestyle, one good thing about that is that you can have Cool Whip because it only has 1 gram of carbohydrates. And then the same with this is why I do the sugar-free. So obviously it's sugar-free and the carbs are very low, so that helps me. All right, so my favorite part about it is just add a little dollop Cool Whip, and there you go. This is the best stuff in the world. And you can see just how creamy it is. Oh my gosh, y'all, so good. I'm gonna get off here so I can.
So, good morning. I am making my keto coffee this morning. Keto coffee is grass-fed butter and sweet tea oil, so it's coconut oil. It's all the stuff that's good for you. You can use it if you're doing a keto lifestyle. If you're not, you can still use it. It's a powder form. I'll show you how. So it's not like what everybody's used to now, the K-cups and all of the pods and all that stuff. But I'm just going to do this real quick. This is the creamer that I found that makes it taste yummy. And I pour a little of the creamer in. And then I have my frother because I just have it, and it helps mix this up and get some of the clumps out because it is a powder. Helps make it nice and smooth. I use Truvia, so I'm Okay, so what? I used 3. Don't judge me. Whatever, I used to use 4, so I'm weaning myself down. Get over it. And then I add my hot water. And then I will just stir it. Hold on a second. Yes, I have a disposable cup, and yes, I have a plastic spoon. Again, don't judge me. I'm doing a lot of wandering around the house today, so I can just pick it up and carry it with me without spilling it in my regular mug right there, because I'm a klutz. And that is my keto coffee, and that will keep me good until about 1 or 2 o'clock. So it helps prolong my intermittent fasting and helps me lose a little weight. That's it. If you want some, if you're interested, let me know. We can get you hooked up.